Shopping for me. Taking the crown was an error. I wanted to wear it, but I was not the fairest, you see. I was jealous, selling up because I ruined Jane's birthday and coveted the throne. So I took Maleficent's after locked shot in the closet and turned my friends to stone. Just give me a chance to pursue. I don't deserve this. I was going out of my mind. Now they're gonna cancel my Christmas. How about forgiveness? Everything is gonna be fine. Just gotta rewind. Just gotta rewind. Just gotta rewind. Just gotta rewind. Oh yeah. Let's see what's in the cards. You took the game too far. Up to the roof just like that. Even called me a brat. I guess I could have done better. Shouldn't have put out the embers. Will Christmas visit at all or skip us this December? Celia, I'm really sorry. Me too. Just give me a chance.